Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the frozen bait in Fish It. So this special bait is essential for catching high tire event fish like the ice fang angler, and here I'm going to show you where you can get the bait. So previously I got the frozen bait by exchanging gift in the gift factory. You can just hand a gift that you have, the present that you have, to the Santa in here, and you can just hand the present, and if you're lucky you'll get the frozen bait like I do. As you guys can see, I got the frozen bait again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.